Glesga's three semiconductor startups join UK incubator. Hi Abdi, this is your news. So I've got an half exciting story today for you about semiconductors. If you don't ken what they are, they're the thing that make computers do what they can do. In all the chips and all that sort of thing. And we've got startups in around Glesga that are doing awful good work with, and they're getting a wee bit of help, to well, to get ourselves started up. So I'll read a wee bit out of the article because again, just for these businesses are doing is worth caring about, and I'll let you care about it in Scots. And I fit why not learn about it in Scots, and it's great to hear the it as well as sicht it in the articles. So I won't be reading out all the articles, but again, from time to time, I'll do a wee bit of reading out, just see as you can hear what Scots sounds like as well as yeah. But I'll have a go. So I'll just hit a spin around, get a bit of camera doing, and getting a while again. So, three emerging tech projects for the University of Glesga have been chosen to join a UK government-backed programme for new semiconductor companies. The programme is run by Silicon Catalyst UK and is set to help its ventures big strong roots and grow. RxWatt is working on a system that sends power and data together through the air. The aim is to make sensing work as is the need for muckle up hidden and to cut down on waste for batteries. Kelvin Quantum is busy making electronics at work at awful low temperatures for ease and quantum tasks. Their work spans from smart chips to full systems that help in managing quantum computers, while AIDE is crafting fresh AI tools for to aid engineers in design of antennas, analog chips, radio frequency chips and filters. They hope to launch their first grids in late 2025. So you can read the rest of the article yourself, again on ournews.co.uk. You'll hear it in Stonnert Scots as well as Norrie Scots. If I was reading it just now as I speak, Norrie Scots. We hear it in Northern Isles Scots and apologies to folk for Orkney. I'm seeking feedback for folk for Our Scotland about what you think about Scots. But yeah, I can't at folk for Orkney aren't really represented with it. But I don't have time for that. And then again, I'm suggesting with Scots is that, I just prefer to read out Norris Scots and Doric Scots. That's just fit me still. And there's hundreds of other folk that speak Norris Scots and do that online. And again, just Stonnert Scots just doesn't represent us. But again, I think for Scots, again, Stonnert Scots is good enough. It'd be good if some folk for the rest of Scotland would let me ken what you think about it. And well, like and subscribe for more Scots news.